Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive tips and tricks. In this video, I will show you on how to recover permanently deleted files in your Google Drive. Let me show you step by step on how you can request for a file recovery or file restoration back to your Google Drive from Google without any stress. So the very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to setting icon on your Google Drive right here, and then go ahead and click on restore file fashion, and this is going to take you right here. Restore file across drive. Your file fashion can be returned to the way that they were. So click on here to learn more for restore. If you need to recover deleted files, go to recover a deleted files in Google. So for that, go ahead and click on this particular icon right here. This is applicable to permanently deleted file in your Google Drive. So you can see recover a deleted file in Google Drive. So important. You can use this article to recover file you deleted from your Google Drive account. Scroll down right here, and then you can see some of the steps you need to take into consideration. Recover permanent deleted file with our robot, and understand the requirement to recover permanent deleted file. So you can click on here and read details, and then setting the file we are deleted. Setting the files we are permanently deleted from your drive trash within the last 25 days. The owner of the file, you are the owner. If you created the file or folder in your Google Drive account, you upload the file or folder into Google Drive. You accept ownership of the file from the original owner. Important. Permanently deleted file from Gmail, Google Photo, or WhatsApp backup can be recovered, just like so. Now, if you are the type that permanently deletes the file, so this is the best options for you. Start your file recovery. Click the button below to send the file recovery request to our robot. Once you have submitted the request, check your email for confirmation and update. We will recover any file possible and email the result to you. Important message as well. When you click this button, you will be prompted to re-authenticate your identity to continue the file recovery request process. Enter your password. So for that, what you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on request file recovery, and it's going to redirect you to where you will need to log in with your password. Once you log in with your password, follow the prompt, and then Google is going to get back to you with the possible way to recover or restore your permanently deleted file in your Google Drive. However, if your file has not been fully permanently deleted, you can easily come back to your Google Drive right here. So under these sections right here, you can click on here. You see some of the recently deleted file right here. If you click on this icon, and it's going to open to a new tab, you can see it will tell you the time by which you deleted the file and edited by you, or as the case may be. And then some of the file here are recovery. But some of the file you deleted in the past, like some of these ones right here that are given the 000 input right here, it means that some of these files we deleted in the past right here are no longer available again. And the best thing here is to go ahead and we'll make sure we ask for permanently recovery of the permanently, and we ask for recover of the permanently deleted file with the previous step by step I show you. So here, if the file deleted has not been permanently deleted, you just need to come down right here and then click on restore to this file right here, and the file available here at the top right here, these two items here is going to be restored. No matter how number of the file you have right here, is going to be restored back to your Google Drive. It's that simple. But if it is a permanently deleted file, you need to make sure you follow this particular process. Recover a deleted file in Google Drive, and it will take you right here. Then you go ahead and click on request file recovery right here, where it's going to take you to where you will need to log into your Google account, and then for identity verification. Then from here, Google will take it up and restore back your file in Google Drive. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Drive like this on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.